Good morning, afternoon, my prepper posse. It's beautiful. It turned out, we're going to be partly cloudy today, but it turned out like a little bit humid and pretty hot. So we are getting some sun, but I turned the generator on for the freezer. I'll show you that. I didn't want to talk too much when I'm over there because it's so loud right now. But I wanted to show you, yesterday when I was talking about, getting ready for winter, biting one piece of the elephant at a time, started taking everything out of the bus that is not necessary right now, and made a little makeshift DIY shelving area to put stuff on. Obviously we're not going to take the shelving with us when we go, but we're just using it for now. It's from stuff that we found around here. Log shelving. And the winter clothing, it's supposed to get in the 20s, so we took some of our summer clothing out, and I've got some winter things, but just kind of going through and seeing what we're going to need for the cold. Like, if I need it, I can come back out and get it, that kind of thing. But when you get overcrowded, it's not a lot of fun. It's more headache and aggravation. So there's more to put in there, but no, the critters aren't going to get it. It'll be zipped up, and if I hear anything, or if I see anything, maybe it won't be a good idea, maybe it will, but right now we got, stuff that doesn't need to be in there. Whenever I get shelves made at some point, since we're, that bus is an ongoing project, I'll be able to put more away. But right now, that's the best I can give you, is to kind of show you, you come up with something. A little bit of a pantry. It's in a tent outdoors, which is fine. That'll work for now, and it's dry. It's, I've had that up for about, a week now, and the rain, it hasn't touched any of it in there. So, that's good. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. We're getting ready to go into the worky work. Go make some cash, some money. And hit our bills. That's what we're doing, so that we can move on. Hope everybody's enjoying their day. Don't forget to play. The freezer.